Eclipses are some of the most breathtaking celestial events we can witness from Earth, and they're steeped in fascinating science and history. Imagine a solar eclipse, where the moon passes directly between the Earth and the sun, blocking its light either partially or completely. It's a stunning sight, especially during a total solar eclipse when the day suddenly darkens, as if night has fallen. In those moments, we can even glimpse the sun's outer atmosphere, known as the corona, which is hotter than the sun's surface itself. But why don't we see eclipses every month? The answer lies in the tilt of the moon's orbit, about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbit. Because of this tilt, eclipses only occur during specific periods called eclipse seasons. And when they do happen, the path of totality in a solar eclipse is incredibly narrow, only about 100 to 200 kilometers wide. The longest duration for a total solar eclipse can stretch to about 7 minutes and 32 seconds, a fleeting moment in the grand scheme of time. Now let's talk about lunar eclipses. These occur when the Earth moves between the sun and the moon, casting a shadow on the lunar surface. Unlike solar eclipses, lunar eclipses can be seen by a much larger audience, often up to half the Earth's population. During a total lunar eclipse, the moon takes on a striking red hue due to a phenomenon called Rayleigh scattering, giving rise to the captivating bloodmoon. Throughout history, eclipses have sparked fear and wonder. Ancient cultures interpreted them as omens or supernatural events. The Babylonians were among the first to predict eclipses using the Saros cycle, which lasts about 18 years, 11 days, and 8 hours. In Hindu mythology, eclipses are attributed to the demon Rahu, who devours the sun or moon. Meanwhile, in Chinese legend, a dragon is said to be eating the sun during a solar eclipse. Eclipses have also played a significant role in advancing our understanding of the cosmos. Over 2,000 years ago, Aristarchus used lunar eclipses to estimate the size and distance of the moon. Thales of Miletus famously predicted a solar eclipse in 585 BCE. Even animals react to these celestial events. Birds go quiet, and nocturnal creatures become active. Interestingly, temperatures can drop several degrees during a total solar eclipse. Eclipses have confirmed scientific theories, including Einstein's general relativity in 1919, and were instrumental in discovering new elements, such as helium in 1868. However, the moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, which means that one day, total solar eclipses will no longer occur. NASA meticulously tracks every eclipse, past and future, for thousands of years, using them to calibrate satellites and study Earth's atmosphere. Hybrid eclipses are particularly rare, shifting between total and annular along their path. Some enthusiasts travel the globe to chase these events, earning the title of eclipse chasers. The terms umbra and penumbra refer to the darkest and lighter parts of the shadow, respectively. While partial solar eclipses are more common, they lack the dramatic effect of total eclipses. Eclipses aren't exclusive to Earth. Other planets like Jupiter, Saturn, and Mars experience them too, often with multiple moons creating several eclipses in a single day. On Mars, the eclipses caused by its moons, Phobos and Deimos, are more like quick transits than full coverages. During a total solar eclipse, the bright disk of the sun is obscured, allowing astronomers to study the corona, which is crucial for understanding solar winds and space weather that can impact our satellites and power grids. Some eclipses occur over oceans, going mostly unseen, while others happen in pairs, solar and lunar, within just 2 weeks of each other. Astronomers classify eclipses by their magnitude, duration, and geometry. Partial lunar eclipses occur when only part of the moon enters Earth's shadow. Eclipses have inspired ancient calendars and timekeeping systems, helping early astronomers calculate the Earth's size and orbit. Interestingly, solar eclipses can cause noticeable dips in solar energy production. The word eclipse comes from the Greek word Eclipses, meaning abandonment, reflecting the awe and mystery these events evoke. Predicting eclipses requires incredibly precise astronomical calculations, and some spacecraft, like the Solar and Heliospheric Observatory, use artificial eclipses to study the sun. Eclipses remind us of the vast, precise, and awe-inspiring mechanics of our solar system, a dance of shadows that has captivated humanity for millennia.